Log into AWS Management Console and browse through EC2 service. EC2 dashboard is showing that there is one instance in running state. As I would like to access the shell of this EC2 instance using the Session Manager feature, this instance would be associated to the IAM role, and the IAM role must be attached to the policy granting the access to the Session Manager. Hence, let me go to the services, scroll down, browse through IAM service to create a IAM role. Click on roles, click on create role. As the role must be attached to the EC2 instances, choose the trusted entity as EC2 service. Click on next. Let me search for the SSM policies from the list and scroll down. Let me choose Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core Policy. Then click on next. Click on next. Specify the role name. Then click on create role. Once the IAM role is created, let me go back to the EC2 service. Select the instance which I would like to manage from Systems Manager service. Click on Actions, Instance Settings, attach IAM role. Select the role from the drop down. The role name is IVQ SSM role. Click on Apply. Click on Close. Once the IAM role is attached to the instance, the EC2 instance can be managed from the Systems Manager service. Hence, let me go to the services. Systems Manager service can be found under the Management section. Click on Systems Manager. From the Systems Manager dashboard, scroll down and choose Session Manager. Click on Start Session. Now we can see that the list of instances which are eligible to get the session within the AWS Management Console. Select the instance. Click on Start Session. Now we can see that Session Manager has started a session for this EC2 instance. I can access the shell of this EC2 instance to run any Linux related commands to administrate this EC2 instance. We can switch to the root account to get the full control of this EC2 instance and can start managing this EC2 instance. That's it for this lecture, understanding how to use Session Manager feature within the Systems Manager service to get the access to the shell of the EC2 instances within the AWS Management Console. I will show you how to use run command feature to run the commands remotely on the EC2 instances in the next lecture.